Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota RAV4 maintenance light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, confirm that your odometer reading is visible on the instrument cluster. If you see something else, simply press the disp button until the odometer appears. This sets us up for the next crucial step. Now, turn the ignition completely off. With the ignition off, locate your trip meter reset button and press it down firmly. While still holding this button, turn the ignition back to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine, just turn the ignition on. Keep holding that button for the next step. Continue to hold the trip meter reset button. You will see a series of dashes appear on the display, counting down. After approximately 10 seconds, the maintenance light will flash a few times and then completely disappear. Once the light is gone, you can release the trip meter reset button. The system is now cleared. To verify the reset, turn your ignition off completely, then start the engine as you normally would. Check your dashboard to confirm that the maintenance required light is no longer illuminated. If it's off, you've successfully reset the reminder. This simple process helps keep your vehicle's service schedule accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.